Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cloud storage with Google Drive, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the storage section on the left panel. Click on the storage section to view your current storage usage. To increase your cloud storage, click on the Upgrade Storage option. This will take you to the Google One Plan page. Review the available storage plans that fit your needs. Select the plan you want by clicking on the corresponding button. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details or use your Google Pay account. Once your payment information is entered, review your order summary. After subscribing, you will receive a confirmation email from Google. Return to Google Drive to see your new storage limit reflected. Now you can start uploading your files without worrying about space. If you ever need to change your plan, return to Google One. Follow the prompts to downgrade or upgrade your storage as needed. That's it. You're all set to make the most of your Google Drive storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.